Hello everybody, this is Imran Jamil once again. As I mentioned before in the previous video that I've been waiting for an upgrade to my Carpuride system that I've been using for the past 2 years. I've been using W702 for the past couple of years, and that was the first version. Excellent experience that I've had. There've been other complaints by some other people, even in the other writing groups that I interact with not turning on, and there were some hiccups, but most of them were related, at least in my case, to actually understanding the system. Yeah, the quality, if you connect through the Carpuride that I've explained in numerous videos, so I'm not going to go in detail, that if you connected your helmet and your phone both to Carpuride and let it do the syncing and everything, call quality was questionable, to say the least. With the new system, which is called 702 BS and BS Pro. I got the BS Pro. And if you guys like the video and like the product, you can use my affiliate link and get the discounts up to 30% or 40% in some cases they're going to give if you use my affiliate link. It's a great product. So I'm going to today, this is the new version. I don't know if you can see because there's a lot of sun. And I'm going to open it up, as well as we're just going to go through the initial settings. I'll show you the previous version also that is right now mounted on my BMW R1300 GS. One thing I would say that they've been really consumed, like all the marketing is talking about integration with the BMW infotainment system and the toggle wheel and how it shows you all the settings. Unfortunately, with the other bikes, they haven't really come with any of those solutions like Triumphs and others, but they may be. So we don't know yet. However, even if you don't have this integrated, it is still the best bang for the buck for getting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wirelessly on your motorcycle. Integrates with your phone. You never even have to take your phone out as long as it's charged. So you can probably mount the phone somewhere, or if your motorcycle has cubby boxes where you can charge them as well. That's all you need to do. And that's a big plus. So check this out and check the other reviews with other motorcycles. They do come with a universal mount as well, and you can mount it on any other bike. So I have two BMW bikes. One of them it'll integrate with, the other one it will not, such as the BMW K1600 GT. Will not integrate because the actual assembly of that motorcycle is not there. So we mounted the Carpuride 702 BS Pro to the BMW R1300 GS navigation mount. But as you can see that this 7-inch one is hitting the screen. The previous one did not for some reason. I don't understand what's missing, but maybe it's the angle, because the previous one had the adapter attached to it on back of it, so it was further out. That's what probably making it work. But now what we are going to do, as you can see right here, we have these 4 screws. These are T2. So now, as you can see, basically lock it, then it's locked. So it's not going to come out. We're going to, again, this is the thing that needs to be pulled. So it makes room and then it goes in and locks. It was showing me the lean angle of the motorcycle. Did you see that? While it was on the stand. So look at that. I leaned it and now it's on the stand. It's 7 degrees, it's showing. Honestly, I am loving it for now. BMW Motorrad, no phone or media functionality from here. I can have navigation functionality enabled from here. But there's no point because it only gives you directions and it has to be connected to BMW Motorrad app. And the main purpose of this Carpuride is so that I could rely on it, because I could have offline maps and then don't have to worry about my phone losing the signal. The only thing I have to worry about is phone keeping at charge. With the BMW app, go to settings, connections. It's not connected to anything at this point, but I can connect it to my phone. Carpuride, let's see what it's connected to. Carpuride settings. First, it's connected to Wi-Fi to enable the Android Auto functionality. If you have iPhone, then iPlay is the same way. Then Bluetooth pairing, it's only connected to my phone at this point. Let me see if it's still playing. Yeah, it's playing, so I'm good there. So my audio and calls both working through Carpuride, but Carpuride only has my phone connected. My Cardo is connected to my phone as well. And BMW infotainment at this point is not connected to anything. However, let's go back to the toggle wheel. Press the menu button, menu up button, and let it go. It's at that screen. Yeah. So now I use the toggle wheel to, if you can see, go through the menus. It is very confusing. So for instance, if I want to click the settings, this has to be grayed out in order for me to get to the settings. If I click back, it takes me back to the main screen. So if I click on the right, it takes me back to this screen. However, I'm still trying to figure out if I can use any of these functions, because if I go back, it takes me to the home screen. But what do I do with the home screen? Except for these two, like this. Wow, that's nice. So I can use that, but there's no point because all that information is already being displayed over here. That's what it is. At this point, I'm gonna test it out real good and then let you guys know. Hopefully this will help, because there are no videos that I could find in this detail about this Carpuride W702BS Pro, and this applies to other Carpuride systems as well. I'm gonna have to do a series with this because there's just so much in terms of learning curve to effectively use it. Looks beautiful, this Carpuride. I'm just going for a very short ride just to test it out and see how these settings work. And I just realized that the tire pressure settings is set up to kPa. Let me see if I can change that. Bar, well, that's wonderful. I mean, it didn't work with my gloves. PSI, that's awesome. And I had to set up the night settings because it was too bright, and the auto adjustment for the brightness really doesn't seem to work all that well. That was the same case with the older one, but this one is much better actually in terms of display, the resolution and everything. And then the good thing is that if you look at right above the speed limit or the speedometer, it's showing you the lean angle. That is fantastic. Okay, one thing I don't understand, maybe it's an adjustment, that it is set up to lean on the left, because when I lean on the left, it shows in the numbers in the positive, and when I lean towards the right, it shows them to be in minus or negative. I think it just offers a lot for the money. And if you guys want to order this, as I mentioned earlier, use my link and you'll get 30% at least. And I was actually negotiating for a higher discount. But whatever the case, 30% minimum, just go ahead and use the link. Either way, it's going to be helpful. I think it's a great piece of equipment, and anybody who has a BMW motorcycle that this integrates with, check the models, because not all models work with that. Which is so cool. I was wondering about these two tires. What's the purpose of them? Because I clicked on them and it didn't do anything. And what it's doing is showing you the brakes and showing you which brakes are you applying. For instance, if I'm going right now and I press the front brake, see okay, so now my brakes are linked. So it's even showing me when is the front brake engaging alone, and then if I keep it pressed, see that when I press it hard, so now it's showing that both the brakes are showing. And then if I just press the rear brake, then obviously rear brake is not linked to the point. But let's see if I press it hard. No, so the rear brake is not linked, but the front brake is linked to the rear. Again, one cool feature that I just discovered, like I said, yeah, I'm really loving it. It's a major upgrade from the old Carpuride system in general over for functionality. Good luck with all of the people who are going to buy it. Just don't forget to use my link, and we will continue to bring you more because there's so much about this device